I'm using brace, but she not fixed. That's why it's
Good motor, Shaira, you see.
good motor. I like.
Clean, of course, but what why you need? It's for helmet, my old helmet. Can you hold, Shaira? Now I need to go to the roof because from the morning, from 6 a.m. Yeah, this one. It's power line, power line. So every day, every morning, it's my breakfast. We walk together in the Fields Avenue. Empty, even don't have traffic now. Take a look. Saturday now. 7:30 p.m. Filipino style, because long time always. I see also garbage, also. Everyone, today Shaira in dentist again. Many times need to go to dentist, maybe every 2 months. See this room. So many rooms here.
Oh my gosh! Larry. Ako po araw-araw po dinadali mo po.
Good afternoon. Yes. Now what is this?
It's for brace.
Ah, for brace?
Before I have before, right?
Yes.
But I remove
But
it
long
already.
time you used before.
Yes, and he already broke my teeth that time.
Ah.
Even he not what is this? He not repair my teeth. I already asked before my doctor that can you please fix my teeth because I'm using brace, but he not fixed. That's why it's you can see in the what is this photo how it's big broken already.
Ah, okay.
You can ask back from before and after.
It's okay. I think people not interested in what happened before. Bye.
Thank you, sir. Para makita ng kapatid ko yung
Oh, good motor, Shaira, you see.
good motor. I like.
Mhm.
But I cannot do that one because it's so big.
This is Barangay Mavoki. Can you see? This is doctor. Doctor live here and work.
Yes, but she's in Manila right now.
Ah, in Manila. Mhm.
But really good doctor. This his clinic is more capable to do for your teeth and he can fix it for
But
cheapest.
I know here many people need to booking
Yes, you need to advance.
in advance.
Yes, because so many people go here.
No cat sit here before. You see. So and spray. Shaira, you need yes, need clean. Take water. Yes, cat stand here and spray. Always. Mark. Yes, clean, Shaira, because you will sit here. No, this one. This and this. You see. No, in home I will clean, of course, but what why you need smell? I have alcohol. Oh, I have alcohol tea. Yes, I have really. I have alcohol. What I have also. Tissue. Shaira is tissue, is alcohol. It's for helmet. Umbrella, small umbrella have. I will close. This is for Shaira raincoat. For me raincoat. Jacket also have. This is jacket. My old helmet. Can you hold Shaira? Shaira stressed right now because she broke my helmet. Not broke, of course. It's scratched, not problem. Okay, let's go to home. I need to go to the roof
But it's rain soon.
before rain because Shaira, I cannot sleep morning.
My uncle said tomorrow.
Shaira, I will do myself. I cannot wait. Filipina always delay, wait.
Okay.
That's why I will do myself.
Okay.
How many days I asking? They busy and sit and play only with phone. Okay? I will do myself, don't worry. I go to the roof and fix what I want. Shaira, can you buy egg?
7 pesos little bit.
Buy.
That's okay? Anything?
Yes, for 100 pesos you can buy egg. Today market only start working. Time now only 3:47 right now. That's why market only now start work.
Itulah CP saya malunggay hot pandesal with cheese.
Okay, Shaira, hold, okay. Not put inside. Now I need to go to the roof because from the morning, from 6 a.m., one small bird like this always busy to us, disturb us to cannot sleep. That's why I want to install something in the roof. Before I already installed, but I remove it because in the roof have a leak. That's why I want to again install. Maybe something another. I will go to roof and use my DJI Nano camera. But Shaira help me here because if I need something, Shaira will help me. Okay, I will go to the roof. Before I asking Filipina who want to help me to something fix in the roof. I asking many times, they busy, even for money. They always busy, workers don't have, that's why I need to do myself. If I not to do myself, I need again wait long time. Who can help me? That's why I need. So people who live in the Philippines need understand. If you live in your home, your own home, you need to more things you need to do yourself. You cannot ask something because some people maybe very busy because they also have work. Even you can pay, but you need always to wait someone who can help to you. Okay, I will go to the up. Many times, sometimes in the morning, if bird is noisy, I go to up like this. Let's say. It's easy. Okay. So I will go. I will use my camera from DJI Nano. It's a good camera. You see, this is who live nearby. She is from Hong Kong. She live in Hong Kong now. Old woman. It's good woman. She work in Hong Kong and her relatives sometimes live in this house. She sell this house. She sell maybe for 4 million. 4 million is 3-floor house. Take a look. This is our place, Kamachilis. This is school. This is school. Kamachilis school. This is area name. This is Carnival. And people live, you see. People live here temporary. I hope in February they will remove. I don't know, February. Okay, I will show to you now. Bird always. Problem, you see, this is power line. Bird always like this. And so noisy. I already clean, but need clean again, you see. Need clean again. You know why? Because bird see herself in the mirror and she think it's another bird. That's why she like this. Okay, I will take something. I already fixed here, but need fix more. Where Shira? Shira? Ah, Shira. I say to Shira, Shira, help me. Ah, she not want. She don't want to wait me. Already in home, play phone. Okay, I not want disturb you. Okay, I will do myself. Just only if I say, please sit and wait. If I fall down, maybe you can call to ambulance. Why you need to again go home? That's why I asking you help. I not go asking go up. Just only. Yes. Okay, you give me like this. Okay, thank you. Да, not need this camera, it's not important for me camera. Important for me fix. That's why I take this. Yes, okay. And also you see I put this one propeller. I think it's bird can afraid. No, bird not afraid. Bird this one also put. Really I'm tired. From 6 morning to 12 noon. So always like this. Like this bird always. What I need to put something here. Yeah, this one. This power line. Like this. And another one also. Good weather today, but night time cold. 90 degree last night. Okay. See Shira clean now. I check here. I will say to worker, this one need also remove, clean. It's a, you know what is this? It's cat poo-poo here. Cat, not only our cat. My car, road. Okay, I will go. Where cat? Ah, you won't go outside. Okay, go outside, go. Don't worry. Go outside. Don't want? Okay, see, his CR closed. Okay, go inside CR. Start. You see, crocodile. Yeah. Our bird is die. Don't have bird. You know why? Because before our bird here, this area, they live here. But someone smoke here from this CR smoke and smoke to the bird, and the bird die because of smoke. So Shira, you know, it's not good smoke. If smoke, it's your problem with your health. Also your tooth now show now better. Oh, good now.
It's from before. Only right now I've been in there.
Okay. And I put again this one in the roof. Later. And CCTV is temporary. I have many CCTV. It's with CCTV I put another side. Oh, cat poo poo here also. Yes, people. Shaira, you see? Bomb from the cat. Uh-huh. Open for... No, need clean first. Need clean. See water. No, Shire, I will clean now. Okay, I will prepare food, so I really want it now. Cat seed. CR for cat. And the CR for guest. CR for guest also. My breakfast. I cook with breakfast is egg, and this one also. It look like rice in Russia. I bring from Russia. Also Chinese crackers. I like Chinese crackers. And caviar also. I take caviar from Russia. I give also to Shaira's family, but why not it? So every day, every morning, it's my breakfast. Not need so much cheese, but egg, little bit salty, and caviar. Or also you can eat fish, some fish or salmon also. But don't have salmon, need to go to Landers and buy. And the salt, you see what this is salt. I also Himalayan pink salt I use. So I already seen our day in the Philippines. And now 7 p.m. and I will go to the Fields Avenue. Shaira now sleep in home. And because she tired, she about 8 a.m. morning, she helped to family use motorbike to send children to the school and also come back, return from the school. So she busy, she sleep right now. And I will meet with Georgi in his apartment, hotel, and we walk together in the Fields Avenue. Okay, I will go to the Georgi apartment, to Valibago. And thank you for watching. See you in the next video. I think next video more interesting than this. Already in the Fields Avenue, near JJ. And I will park car near Georgi apartment. And we will walk. So in next video you can watch how we walk in Fields Avenue. I'm not planning go to Walking Street. Really, I don't like. Well, I can, of course, hide camera. Most of the people hide camera or go to morning, walk in morning, and filming in the Walking Street and post like title of the video, Walking Street. Yes, I can, but I don't want. Empty, even don't have traffic now. Take a look. Saturday now, 7:30 p.m. 7:30 p.m. Don't have people. This time usually many people. Prime City Hotel. Still close because don't have tourist. Red hotel, what name? This one. Also close. Close. Red doors close. Have light. Security also have. I talked already before with security. He said, yeah, let us park here. Safety. I'm already in the Booker's Hotel. Oh, Georgi. Hi, Georgi. How are you today? You already fixed problem with your hotel room? Even now, not fix? At what way? They not remove pump and...
Yes.
But what they do it?
Hmm?
Why cannot fix? It's already a long time.
Yes, because Philippines.
Filipino style. Because long time always. I see also garbage also same. Before I been here, I don't know, always truck with garbage. Really, I don't know what problem here. Not understand. What?
This building many problems.
Many
I
problems?
can explain, but we need to go to the room. But
Next time. So we're going to in this video, Georgi, I show to our subscribers my day in the Philippines, what I do it today. That's why it's already last. And we go to the next video, we can show to another already. I go to Fields Avenue with Georgi. Just walk only, I show to you. Now about 8 p.m. and we can see what happened in the Fields Avenue now. But in the next video. Thank you for watching this video.